Yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. I cannot remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen lonely times that I thought would never end. I've seen too many times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? Help me make a stand. I'm not gonna make it through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I'm not gonna make it any other way. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen lonely times that I thought would never end. I've seen too many times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought I'd see you again. Been walking my life to an easy time and my back's turned toward the sun. The Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it will turn your head around. There's hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen lonely times that I thought would never end. I've seen too many times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought I'd see you again. Thought I'd see you, thought I'd see you again. Thought I'd see you. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen lonely times that I thought would never end. I've seen too many times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought I'd see you again. Thought I'd see you, thought I'd see you again. Thought I'd see you. And I always thought I'd see you again.